Okay, let's go closer.
Can't you zoom in?
No, not with my touch. What's it doing?
He's like,
It's like, oh my god, golf cart, watch out now. Hello, sir. Hello. We're just observing this duck that's playing with itself through the mirror. What? Okay, we can't scare it.
like people are watching.
What if it like comes out and starts chasing us? Oh my god, that'd be so bad.
I would run for my life. I don't know about you.
Oh my god. It's big.
I saw one of those type of birds by Burger King once. It was so weird.
Oh my god. Here, videotape this for a minute here. Oh god.
Nope, he's dead.
Well, I'm afraid I'm gonna attack him or something. It's going away.
Okay, here you go.
Oh no, it's going towards us.
Dude, that's just your reflection. It's not a female.
Oh, it's attacking it.
Okay.
Maybe we should start backing up. Backing up very slowly.
Bye, birdie.
Goodbye, birdie. That was awkward. Oh, it's
That
funny.
was